Hey friend, have you heard about Teneo? It's the new company that's changing the game in API documentation. They're taking a page from Stripe's book and making it easier for companies of all sizes to create clear and concise API documentation. With Teneo, you must plug in your GitHub repository or upload your API collection, and it will do the rest. Teneo analyzes everything and provides the necessary API documentation, plus an AI assistant that uses natural language processing to make it even better. The AI will automatically describe various API attributes and explain their use. This way, even non-technical team members can contribute to the process. Now, Teneo isn't a magic bullet. You'll still need to fine-tune the formats and wording, add images, and make other tweaks. But it automates the process as much as possible so you can focus on the important stuff. One of the best things about Teneo is that it supports a variety of APIs, including OpenAPI, Postman, SOAP API, Async API, and GraphQL. And if you need to make updates, you can do it within seconds. Teneo is designed for everyone, with API widgets and support for multiple programming languages. It even has a developer portal and API browser, so you can easily extend API implementation to other platforms. But what else sets Teneo apart is its customer support, design, and ease of use. They've got high marks in these areas and they're always working to improve the platform. Regarding pricing, Teneo has a basic plan that costs around $20 per user and up to $45 a month for unlimited API projects in their business plan. They also have a corporate strategy that includes custom branding and self-hosting options. And the best part? They're working on a completely free version too. It's no surprise that Teneo is particularly popular in the fintech space. After all, they're looking to emulate one of the most successful fintech startups of the past decade. Just like Stripe, Teneo is making API documentation more accessible, and that's a big reason why developers love it. Hey there, have you heard about Codazy? It's a game changer in the world of software development. With the demand for technical talent rising, every company is looking for the best and brightest developers, and that's where Codazy comes in. This AI-based code editing application not only improves your programming skills, but it also offers a unique offering to support developers and aspiring programmers. It's like having a trusty sidekick that's always here to help you create, debug, optimize, and transform your code. Codazy consists of 4 main modules: debugging and providing the right blocks of code, optimizing code with AI-based improvements, converting code to different languages, and commenting on ML AI-based code. And let me tell you, Codazy is a breath of fresh air compared to other legacy debugging tools on the market. They often need to be more user-friendly, especially for beginner to intermediate developers. But with Codazy, you get a simple solution with a similar value propositions to Grammarly. After all, programming is just a new form of writing, and Codazy is poised to become the go-to platform for this growing demand. And the demand is actual. In just 6 months on the market, Codazy passed the 100,000 user mark with a global user base from countries like Brazil, Pakistan, Poland, and more. The Codazy team is expanding its product to meet demand and generate new interest from educational and corporate organizations. But wait, it gets even better. Codazy supports over 30 programming languages and is considered a leader in the code debugging market. The company has achieved many professional successes, including being named the ASU GSV Elite 200 and winning numerous industry awards and recognitions, including the Google Hackathon. And the founder of the program has big plans for Codazy's future. The goal is to scale the technology and become a significant player in the market, helping over 1 million developers and programmers optimize and debug their code. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. So if you're looking to take your software development skills to the next level, you need to check out Codazy. Trust me, you won't regret it. Hey there, have you ever heard of Toolsy? It's a fantastic tool that helps Etsy sellers like us increase sales and reach a larger market. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal to take over the Etsy world. Toolsy gives you the power to analyze and track your competitors with incredibly accurate data, so you can find out what people love on Etsy and replicate it in your store. And the best part is that it's super easy to use. It takes just a few minutes to download and connect to your Etsy store, and you're ready to go. With Tulsi, you can do a keyword search and redesign your process so the right customers can find you easily. Just find the keywords they're searching for what you're selling, and voila, you'll get an insane boost in organic traffic. You can also do a store search to see what other Etsy stores offer and what's popular. This feature connects you to every store on Etsy so you can see everything they offer. And if you want to see how much product they're selling, Tulsi also has a rank check feature that allows you to see the best-selling items. With these three factors combined, you'll clearly understand what's hot, who has it, and how they're positioning their offerings. Not only that, but you can also create product reports to find out the most popular products on the market at any given time. You can create reports by category to see what people buy in each category. With Tulsi, you'll be able to put your popular products in the best category where people are searching for them. And if you need a general report that summarizes any numbers you need to make better decisions for your store, Tulsi has got you covered. Even better, Tulsi requires no fancy marketing degree or math expertise. It's easy to learn and saves you a ton of money on outreach. You can find out what's popular in just a few minutes and clicks. And don't just take my word for it. Tulsi has received positive reviews from many users who have praised its community, design, and pricing. For example, Ali Tavlashoglu writes, "Tulsi is the best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Tulsi and my sales went up after I started using it. I love the design of the interface and the features that can't be found anywhere else. I'm thrilled to be able to keep track of my competitors." Serap was also pleased with the collaboration, saying, "The best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Tulsi. After I started using it, my sales went up. It's a great tool." So what are you waiting for? Get Tulsi today and turn your Etsy store into a sales growth machine. It offers a free trial or version to try it out for yourself. I hope this helps, and happy selling. Hey there, have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools. And the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get right out today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Hey there, have you heard of this new search engine called Niva? It's shaking up the search game by offering something that no search engine has: complete privacy and ad-free searches. That's right, no more annoying ads popping up every time you search for something, and no more tracking your online activities. To get started with Niva, you must go to their website, sign up with your email address, and create a password. And the best part? You get a 4-month free trial to try it out. After that, it'll cost you just $4.95 a month. Not too shabby. So what makes Niva different from other search engines? Well, first of all, it's completely private and doesn't use affiliate links. It also has a sleek, modern design that makes it super easy to use. Plus, it has some cool features that set it apart from the rest. For example, Niva has a left panel called Spaces, where you can mark any search result and add it to a space for later use. You can even share these spaces with others or use them to create lists and channels. Another cool feature is the ability to filter search results by blogs or forums, so you don't have to sift through pages or irrelevant results. You can also personalize your news source preferences in the settings, and Niva will try to show those sources in your search results. And if you use apps like Dropbox, Google Products, or Slack, you can connect them to Niva and include their content in your search results. That means you can even search your email right from Niva. So if you're tired of ads and tracking, or want a cleaner, more organized search experience, give Niva a try. It may change the way you search for information online.